to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we will help you break through that fog, that confusion, that roadblock kind of area when you thought you knew what you're doing and then you get there and you're like, wait, I don't know where this is going. Sometimes you'll be working on a piece and you think that you have a really clear idea compositionally of where you're going. And then sometimes you kind of overwork it, or you add too many elements, or it gets kind of foggy, or the original subject matter or the focal point that you were going for gets lost somewhere in there. So today I want to show you like a little tip. I got a little teeny piece here. Now granted, this is an abstract. We don't have a specific subject, but even if you're talking about even a photorealistic piece or something representational, if you find that you're not sure how the viewer's eye is going to read this, I want you to try this trick, okay? Take your piece, turn it upside down, okay? Back away from it and squint. When you turn it upside down, one, if it's representational, your brain has a harder time figuring out what it's looking at. So then what happens is your brain is just looking at shape, it's looking at contrast, it's looking at color harmony and things like that. Those very, very important factors that are crucial in a successful piece. So the subject becomes irrelevant, kind of like this. In this one, we have no real subject other than color, shape, contrast, those kinds of things. So if we're looking at this piece and we're going, I don't know where this is going, is it workable? I'm not sure that I like this. Well, flip it upside down. Is it better this way? Is there something about it that I wasn't seeing before? Do I find that there's a different focal point when I turn it upside down? All those kinds of things, that analysis is really, really important to make sure that you got a successful piece, or that you kind of establish a direction for where you want to go next if you find that you're kind of muddled and confused and you don't know where you're going. So next time you feel a little bit foggy or not confident about a piece that you've been working on, turn it upside down. You might find that you find exactly what you were overlooking that whole time. So enjoy.